Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a visa, a tourist visa to British Virgin Islands if you need one. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys. So guys, not everyone needs a visa to travel to British Virgin Island. And in order to determine that, I have opened the website of British Virgin Islands London office where they have clear information. So you can start this process by filling up this British Virgin Island visa application form and submit it along with the supporting documents to their email account. Okay, that they have given. Now, nationals of the following countries listed below require a visa to enter. So see, first of all, your nationality is here or not. Okay, and they have some visa waiver too. Okay, now before we go here, we'll go for the exemption. Okay, so if you have a visa, uh, now there's a British visa exemption program starting this date, that if you have a visa of UK, US or Canada, you don't need a visa for work, business, to matters. Okay, for a period less than 6 months. Okay, and your visa should be 6 months of validity before travel. Okay, you can read this and determine. All right, and they have some other exception for cruise passengers too. Entry requirement, you should have on return or ongoing tickets, evidence of support, accommodation also. Okay, okay, fine. And once you are ready with this, then you need to submit a document. Um, you need application form, passport bio page, two recent passport size photograph. Okay, specification again, fee, a credit card authorization form you can download here and you can send it along. And application then required to scan the email completed. Okay, along with a correct copy of following documents to this. Okay, so they have given all the requirements, and this is the email account there you where you are gonna send it. Now let's see the form. This is the form. This is for official use. Forget about it. Here you stick your photograph. Purpose you need to take about you. You need to put the information, full name as per passport, passport details, father full name, mother full, permanent home address, correspondence address if different, home phone number, mobile phone, personal email address, your family details, previous application on travel. Okay, very simple question this is, and some other questions. Have you traveled outside your country? Have you applied visa to British Virgin Island before? And you need to fill this up. And this is about your stay in over there, your finance and employment, how you're going to support yourself, other information that you want to include. Here is the signature date. This is for office use, so forget about this. This along with other supporting documents you're gonna send, and if they approve, they notify you, you are all good to go. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.